Hello everyone. In this video we're going to talk about DNA packaging. We're going to know how DNA is tightly packed up to fit into the nucleus of the cell. A typical DNA has an extent more than 2 meters, which is much longer than a nucleus that has a diameter of only a few micrometers. So DNA packaging is the solution. DNA must be tightly packed up to fit into the nucleus. So let's start. Here we have the DNA double helix that has a 2 nanometers diameter. Short stretches of it wrap around a core of 8 scaffolding proteins called histones, forming a bead-like histone DNA complex called a nucleosome, which is about 10 nanometers in diameter. These histone proteins are found in pairs. We have 2H2A proteins, 2H2B, two H3 and 2H4. That gives a total of 8 histone proteins. So a single nucleosome consists of about 150 base pairs of DNA sequences wrapped around the 8 histone proteins. These nucleosomes are connected by a DNA called linker DNA and H1 histone, which is also a linker that consolidates the nucleosome binding with DNA and stabilizes the chromatin fibers. But wait a minute, what are chromatin fibers? This is the next level of compaction, which occurs as the nucleosomes and the linker DNA between them are coiled into a 30 nanometers chromatin fiber. So chromatin is the structure formed by wrapping of DNA with the histones, and this structure has a nucleosome as repeating units. In the next level or third level of packing, a variety of fibrous proteins is used to pack the chromatin, forming 300 nanometers chromatin loops. Then more condensed chromatin loops. And as we know from the first video suggested up here, chromatins are found in the cell when it's not dividing. So chromatins change into chromosomes at the beginning of cell division, at prophase to be more specific. And these chromosomes are shorter, thicker, and more coiled. So that's how DNA is wrapped around itself to fit into the nucleus. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button, and if you'd like to watch more videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below and I'll answer them all. Goodbye and see you in the next video.